how to buy Robux with Amazon Pay. Now the first thing that we want to do is load up Roblox. Then we'll just click on the Robux icon here, and then we will click on buy Robux. Now from this page that loads, we want to select the amount which we will get. So for example here, let's do 499 400 Robux. Just click on the amount itself. Now here you will see all of these different payment types. So we got credit, debit card, PayPal, Roblox gift card, and other. We just want to click on other, and here it's gonna load up all of your available different methods. So you will see PaySafe card, mobile payments, credit, debit cards, and we'll have Amazon Pay. Just click on Amazon Pay here, and it's gonna show us the email that we can use to get a receipt, and just click on Pay Now, and this is going to refer us over to the secure payment method here for Amazon, and you just click on Pay Now, and then you have successfully purchased the Robux. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.